Alright, so I thought I'd make a little video on the Focus ST225 or the Mark II ST. Seen a few videos with these pipes which have the baffling, which I've removed here, and you can get a replacement pipe for £40, or for a little bit of DIY you can make this one work for a few quid. What I'm led to believe by other YouTubers is that this, with the holes in here, this then acts as a baffle and reduces your air intake noise. So that's what we're going to find out. Getting the baffle out of here, what you want to do is you want to get 4 screwdrivers and just put them on the quarter marks, and then spray a load of WD in there and let that work its way down there, and then just get one long screwdriver in the bottom there, and you can see where the lip is, and just rest it on there and just give it a tap on the ground. Just one of those, and then that'll pop up and just work the way up, and just get a pair of grips and just pull it out. I experimented with a bit of old gutter pipe to see if that would do the job, and the original slides through, so I gave that a go, putting that in there, but it's just a tad too big, even with chamfering it down, and then last resort was to put a slit in just to make it a bit smaller, but didn't really look too great in there. So the reason why we're putting the sleeve back in there is just to smooth it off a bit, because if you can see in there with the light, you've got the ribs, which I think will affect the airflow when it's coming in. The original one is about 62-63 mil, and the replacement I've now got is 60 mil bit of pipe. The internal, or the wall on this one's slightly thinner than this one, but I don't think it's going to make too much difference. So the original baffle is about 105 mil, and it's got this little chamfer piece on the end there, which I'll try and recreate on this one. It's also got a little lip to stop it turning inside, but we're going to see how we go away without having that one, and see if we can make the Jubilee clip hold everything straight. 2 bits of pipe, same size, and just to stick that chamfer on this one, so then that'll recess right away in the bottom of this one. So we just used a angle grinder with a little wheel. Yes, I know there's no safety guard, and a little hand file just to put a little chamfer on there, and then we'll just give that a clean out just to get rid of all that swarf, because you don't want that being sucked into your engine. There we go, bit of WD, spray it on the end. Use this one to sit on top of the other one when you put it in there, and then just push it in, but just make sure you get it underneath that lip. But you can see there that little groove there, that's where this original groove used to sit in there, and I think what that was for was to stop it spinning in there, so that the holes lined up with the inside to act as the baffle. Otherwise, if it was spun, then it would have these blanks and wouldn't do much. So that's my guess, but I don't know. Other people can comment down below and say what they think. But yeah, it's all in there. It's got a smooth diameter now all the way through, and yeah, we're going to fill it back on the car now after giving it a wipe out.